Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the crypto world in 2025, transferring assets between exchanges is a must-know skill. Today, we're tackling how to transfer USDT from Coinbase to OKX step by step. USDT is a stablecoin that's super popular for its stability, and with new features on both platforms this year, it's easier than ever. Whether you're looking to diversify your holdings or just switch things up, this guide will get you there quickly and safely. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and OKX. You'll also need some USDT in your Coinbase wallet. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Once you're in, head over to the Assets or Portfolio section and find your USDT. Click on it to open the details. Step 2. Select the Withdraw option. You'll be prompted to choose a network. Stick with the ERC20 network for USDT, as it's the most common and compatible with OKX in 2025. Double-check that to avoid any issues. Next, Step 3. Open your OKX account in another tab. Go to the Deposit section, select USDT, and choose the same network, like ERC20. Copy the deposit address provided. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so be careful not to miss any characters. Step 4. Back in Coinbase, paste that OKX address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer and review the fees. In 2025, network fees might be lower due to upgrades, but always check to keep costs down. Step 5. Hit Confirm and verify the transaction with any required two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security, which is crucial in the ever-evolving crypto space. Finally, Step 6. Head back to OKX and monitor your deposit. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. Once it shows up, you're all set. A quick tip. Always verify addresses and use secure connections to prevent scams. If you're new to this, start with a small amount. There you have it. Your USDT is now on OKX, ready for trading or staking. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more guides, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and stay crypto savvy.